Hi children, hope all are safe at home. Getting bored at home due to COVID-19? So in the previous session, we discussed this lesson, A Hero with Difference. About Masudur. This lesson is about Masudur Rahman Baitya, the boy who belongs to West Bengal. He was born in Bhallappur in a village in West Bengal. So what happened to him? At the age of 10 years, he lost his both legs in a train accident. After that, even after the accident, he started learning swimming and he became successful in learning swimming. But it is not easy task for him to learn swimming. Okay, he practiced for many years and then he succeeded in his task. Now let's see what happened next in his life. I think all are interested to know about him, right? So let's see what happened in the next. In 1989, the Artificial Limb Center of Pune organized a national swimming competition. Masudur traveled all the way from West Bengal to Maharashtra. So he lives in West Bengal, but this competition was held in Pune when in 1989. So he traveled from there to here to participate in the competition. Okay, first competition, he is going to participate in the first competition. To everyone's surprise, Masudur bagged the first position in 16 out of 17 swimming races. So here is a new word for us, bagged. Bag means nothing but one. Bag means nothing but one. He won the 16 prizes. So they conducted 17 races. Out of 17, he won 16 races as first as a winner. He stood winner in 16 races. Isn't it strange thing? Isn't it surprise? A person who is physically challenged participated in the race and he bagged first position in 16 races for the first attempt. Yes, it's very inspiring, no children? Yeah. In the years that followed, Masudur continued to take part in many swimming competitions conducted within and outside his home state. Conducted means to conduct the races and all. Okay. He participated in many races, whatever conducted within his home state, means West Bengal or out of state. He used to go there and participate in all the races after that. He was a disabled swimmer who had a very strong will and unmatched perseverance. See, he is of course a disabled swimmer, but he is having that he is having that willpower to whatever he want to learn, he learned. He is having that willpower. Everybody should have that willpower. Then only you can achieve something. Okay, and perseverance. Okay, perseverance means, it's a new word for you. Perseverance is a new word for you. Means it is a quality of never giving up. See, what we will do if we want to learn something. First attempt we failed, second attempt we failed. So few persons will leave that because it is hard to learn. But here Masudur didn't give up. He didn't give up. Even though he is physically challenged, he tried and tried and tried and finally he got succeed. This is perseverance, means the quality of never giving up. So he never gave up that he cannot do anything. He tried continuously and learned. However, Masudur became very famous in 1997 when he became the first physically challenged Asian swimmer to cross the English Channel successfully. So he became very famous in 1997. He is the first Asian swimmer to cross this English Channel. English Channel is nothing but a body of water which separates Great Britain from rest of the Europe. It's a body of water, sea water only. So he is the first Asian physically challenged swimmer who crossed this English Channel in 1997. With that, he became very popular in all over the world. He became very popular. To swim across, and following this, he became the world's first physically challenged swimmer to swim across the Strait of Gibraltar in 2001. Again in 2001, he swam across the Strait of Gibraltar. Means it's a very narrow passage which connects two seas. Strait of Gibraltar means which connects two seas. It's a narrow passage. Again, he swam across that in 2001. He achieved this feat by swimming from the Tarifa Islands in Spain to the shores of Morocco. So he started his swimming in islands of Spain till the shores of Morocco. A total distance about 22 kilometers in just 4 hours and 20 minutes. The Strait of Gibraltar. The Strait of Gibraltar was crossed by him in 2001. Almost it is 22 kilometers in sea water. And he could complete in 4 hours 20 minutes. So maybe it is not a big issue if it is a normal person. Here is a physically challenged person. Even though he crossed that Strait of Gibraltar of 22 kilometers within 4 hours 20 minutes. Okay, again he is the first one to do that. Okay, in physically challenged category. Okay, children? News channels interviewed Masudur and his pictures were on the cover pages of newspapers in the next morning. He had become a celebrated sports person. He became a celebrity. He became a celebrity in overnight. But for that, how many years he struggled, he only knows. He became a celebrity after crossing the Strait of Gibraltar. He became a celebrity, but it not happened in 1 or 2 days. It is very tough for him to learn and to participate to reach this position. Masudur found an admirer in the sports star Sachin Tendulkar. You all know very well Sachin Tendulkar. So Sachin Tendulkar became a big fan of this Masudur. Sachin Tendulkar also became a big fan of this Masudur. Tendulkar visited Masudur in 2014 and saluting Masudur's achievements, he said, they are the real heroes and their lives are like an inspiration to all of us. So this Sachin Tendulkar in 2014, he went and met Masudur and he said, they are the real heroes and they are all inspiration to us. We should get inspiration from such persons, he said. Okay. Saluting. Here one more word we got. Saluting. That means respecting. That is respecting. Saluting. He respected that person. Saluting is one more new word here. Respecting. Okay, children. Next. Even after all the fame that he enjoyed, Masudur continued to live a very simple life. Even after all the fame, all the name he got, he became very famous. But he is living a simple life. Okay, because many of us don't know about Masudur till we read this lesson. We don't know. But we all know Sachin Tendulkar, Dhoni and all. But we don't know about this person till we read this lesson. Yes or no? With his mother, his wife and his daughters, he lived in the village till he passed away in 2015. So in 2015, he passed away. It means he died in 2015. Till then, he used to live in his village with his mother, wife and daughters. He led a very normal life. He was always enthusiastically involved with local swimmers organization as a trainer and advisor. A lot of youngsters found inspiration in Masudur. He said to them, it is absolutely possible for persons with physical disabilities to do things better than others. So he never sat idle at home. In local, he used to go to the organization. He used to conduct trainings for the swimmers, upcoming swimmers, and he used to give the advices to the swimmers. Okay, and he said to others that it is not impossible for the physically challenged persons also to do things. They are also like other people. They can do anything, whatever they want. Okay. But you have to be dedicated to your cause. Dedication. You have to be dedicated to your cause. Dedication means you should have focus on what you want to learn. You should have focus, then only you can learn, he said. Masudur's life has been an inspiring story of determination and courage. Determination, also one more new word for us. Determination means even after so many difficulties, he never gave up. Even after so many difficulties, he never gave up. He tried and tried until he succeeded. So determination means never you should leave. Even after many struggles also, you should try to reach your goal. For that you should have a strong determination. Courage means it's nothing but like having bravery. Okay, dhairyam antam kada. So you should have the dedication and courage to reach your goal, he said. This is about Masudur Rahman Baidya. Yes, children, I think all of you got inspired with this story. Yeah, it's really inspiring story. It's a real life story. Okay, children, I'll give you these hard words in your WhatsApp groups so that you can practice. And if you have any dictionary, please refer the meanings if you don't understand, or you can message me in WhatsApp groups so that I'll give you a reply. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay home.